Unong elam jongko All India Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma menda ka singi ka khandai tare unai lor uloong badan kam da ka kenhun Tohkit National Investigation Agency lani da ka Central Bureau of Investigation halor ka Jingshah yap ki pulit ya udukhat barem jongka Neutrap National Liberation Council u ba Cheristerfield. Thank you. Habakran bagilap thai kubor u Dr. Mukul uloong bakadai bandan da ka Jing Tohkit balai lut ya ka te ka Jingshah khnang ba anla banyo lut ya baro ka Jingshah. Habakentat ya kakaipot jongka one-man inquiry commission balakli da unong bisar bala songthat uti vaipai u Dr. Mukul uloong bakate ke Jingshah kadon ke Jingidai bat ke Jingslap nya breu.
Based on the circumstances leading to this unfortunate killing of Cheristerfield, thank you. Going by this report, there is a reason to ask the government to come clear on whether there was a criminal conspiracy to lead to this unfortunate incident wherein the deceased has to become a victim of this thoughtless killing. So this question we are putting before the government, and this same question the people of the state should put before the government. And therefore, if the answer has to come, therefore there has to be an inquiry. What type of inquiry? An independent inquiry.
The government is already, after a few months, they are already asking explanation. Don't you think that the government should file a criminal case against those involved?
See, once the report is available before us, it has become property of the public. And on behalf of the people of the state and the nation, we are asking this, that this must be done, lest similar things are repeated and a general perception starts, superseding everything else, wherein people will start having lack of trust and confidence on the system. People should never be allowed to have that kind of perception where people have lack of trust and confidence on our system. Because it is the trust, it is the confidence of the people on the system which sustains our democracy. And therefore it is very crucial, and that is why it is important. And that is the reason why I am saying that we need to instill confidence. The government need to instill confidence on me, on you, and for the people. I have to also have confidence in the system that yes, everything that has happened was without any predetermined ill motive. If there was a predetermined ill motive, then it goes back to the same thing. Was there a criminal conspiracy? This answer has to be replied. And this answer can be replied by the government only if there is an independent inquiry.